IDC ऋणमुक्त जाल्या. उद्देगीक मळार क्रांती घडोवन हाडटले. ऑक्टोबरा मेरेन IDCची सगळ्या हांगांनी परिपूर्ण अशी वेबसायट चालू जातली, जी पारदर्शी सेवा मेळोवन दितली. आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान सांगले.
We have briefed the Chief Minister, we have briefed Industries Minister, and we have had a board meeting today. In this board meeting, we are happy to announce that we are debt free. We had a loan, and every time we were criticized having a loan. One thing I want to tell you, the first thing we did on taking charge of the IDCs, that the loan is cleared. So there is no liability on the IDC as of date today. And we don't wish to have more liability also. Now for that, we have decided to even now put reforms in all the services that are available. Henceforth, all services will be time bound as well as online. For that, we are taking steps to have a better system in place. We are taking steps to see an efficient system in place. Because previously also, you will ask me why it was not done so long. Previously also it was done. We have made now corrections, and now with all the corrections, we are bringing new systems in place. We have a new MD now, who is an IAS officer, Mr. Abhishek, who is well versed with all these things, and we have taken a decision to allow him to enforce all sort of new changes which are efficient for the industry. Chief Minister's program of ease in business, doing business, and his whole idea of even helping startups. We have decided to help all the industry. We have taken now decisions as far as industrial states are concerned. All the plans of all the industrial states will be digitalized. Will be digitalized right to the smallest 1 mm. Will be measured physically. All plans will be uploaded on the website. Henceforth, we will not have where we will have no single place where transparency is not there in the system. It will take us some time. It will take us, we will have some people who will sabotage also, no problem. We will have our own staff who will sabotage. But we are going to take it head on. We will see by October that the entire system is online to the perfection and without any difficulties, without any mistakes and no faults. We are getting the best of people on the job who will give us the best services.
GOA365 खातीर श्यामचारी, जवाहर बर्वे आनी भक्ती पै बाळगी.